What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Captain America crewmate from Among Us. Let's get started by drawing the visor in the center of our page. So we're going to start right in the middle, start with a curve that goes up, and we'll bend that down on the right side. Now let's round out the side of the visor, starting back on the left, curve around and then back in, go over towards the right side, curving the opposite direction, and then down towards the same height. And then we'll close off the bottom, starting back on the left, come down the middle, and back up on the right. Let's move over towards the left and draw on the wing. We'll start at the top, I'm going to curve this out, and then bend that up. And we'll draw the first feather, coming around, and then in. Let's layer two more underneath. We're going to step back out, come down, and then in. And then the third feather will step out, curve down, and then up towards the inside. Let's move back and draw on the top of the head. We're going to start on the top right side of the visor. We curve up, round up the head, and pull that down in behind the top of the wing. Now I'm going to go back and draw the A curved over the top of the head. Start from the very top in the middle, curve out, then down just on top of the visor. Draw a short line going out, and go back up and in. I'm just going to draw a straight line going out towards the right, and go down. I'm just going to pull that out towards the right side of the head. Now I'm going to move up, draw a short line going across the bottom, go over towards the left, curve up and out. Let's move down and draw in the large shield. We're going to start at the very top, draw a large circle, going all the way around, down towards the bottom, and we'll bring that back up towards the top. Now tuck the left side of the body in behind the shield. Let's line up with the side of the head underneath the wing, curve out and then down. Continue all the way down towards the bottom, curve down and then in. Let's go over towards the right side underneath the visor, curve the body coming down. I'm just going to bend that in towards the same height that we have on the left. Let's round out the bottom of the feet, starting back on the left, come down and then up. Go over towards the right side, draw that same curve, leave a gap in between the feet. Let's go to the inside of the left foot, draw a straight line going up towards the body, and then we'll curve the body going out and then up. Go to the inside of the right foot, draw a straight line going up underneath the body. Now we see the top edge of the backpack above the shield. Let's start just underneath the wing, curve out and then down, and draw a straight line going down in behind the shield. Let's add some detail to the shield. We start by tracing the circle along the inside, starting from the top, all the way around, just leaving an even space gap all the way around the side, and then back up towards the top. Let's add another circle in the center, starting from the top, go all the way around, and then back up. And then we'll add that star in the middle, starting from the very top, and go down and out towards the side. Draw a straight line going out towards the side of the circle. Now we're going to pull this down and in. Let's work our way down towards the bottom of the star with an angled line. And we'll pull that up and in towards the middle. Let's move down to the bottom and separate out the feet. From the left side, we're going to step up, just follow that same curve going across on both sides. Now we're going to move up and add that trim across the body. Let's start on the right side of the shield. Start by going straight out, and bend that up towards the right, come all the way down towards the bottom, and draw that same curve. Let's add the stripes inside that trim, starting from the top, straight line coming down, move over, and draw that again. And then finally we're going to add a shadow across the bottom of the visor, starting on the top left, come down, round out the bottom, and then pull that up on the right. And that's pretty much it. There's Captain America crewmate from Among Us. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe, and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.